Guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can embed a GIF file in Power BI. So just keep in mind that Power BI does not support GIF file to be added as an image. If you go and add it as an image, it will just add the static file. It will not be a GIF file. Now, in order to do that, there's a workaround, and the workaround is that you upload your GIF file on a web place. So you can see that there is one here that I've taken from the internet. And now how we will embed it, I will show you. Let's go to our Power BI report. Now here, first thing we'll do is create a measure. So I'll click on new measure. And in the measure, we will add HTML code for the GIF file. So you can see that the image HTML code is here. We have the link to the file here. And I'll just click commit. Now we have our GIF underscore HTML measure created. Now what I have to do is that we need to create an HTML viewer, and to do that we will go to get more visuals, and I'll search for HTML, and here we will add this HTML content. Select add. Now it has been imported. So I'll go here and I'll click on my new visual, and here in the values I will simply drag the GIF underscore HTML file, and now you can see that my GIF file has been added. So this is how you can easily embed a GIF file in your Power BI reports. I hope this helped. Do keep watching for more. Thank you.